Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Luke, this is my dad Dan.
Yeah, I'm Dan, and this is my son Luke.
For a while we've been wanting to start a YouTube channel and show you guys some of the things that we enjoy doing, and those things would be homesteading, gardening, and woodworking. So we hope to produce some quality, educational, informative, and hopefully have some things in there that you haven't seen before, maybe gardening methods or woodworking methods, or things in the homestead that would be real helpful to you that we found have solved problems for us. So, Dad, why don't you tell them some things about yourself and
Oh,
what you
and
like to do?
we're from the eastern side of Washington, state of Washington, just so you know what kind of weather we have to deal with. Kind of a high desert climate here, hot in the daytime and quite cool at night. And so the gardening things we'll be covering will be, growing giant tomatoes. My biggest one recently was over 17 pounds. And so we'll be going over some of the tips and tricks of how to grow nice tomatoes, whether or not you are interested in doing giants or not, but you can at least learn how to grow healthy and nice tomatoes for your own consumption, and very nutritionally sound for you. So there's not going to be any herbicides, insecticides,
No Miracle Grow.
no sides at all, no fungicides, nothing used besides organic products and biology. So we'll be doing that, and then just going over all the regular garden vegetables that pretty much everybody grows, and maybe have some new ideas that you haven't heard of or haven't seen that might be a help to you. And
Dad likes to do a lot of the primary way he does his gardening is with organic methods. Compost, obviously, is a major part of that, and so he knows a lot about the soil biology, and he likes to say something about soil.
well, people ask me how you ever grow such gigantic tomatoes, and I tell them it's biology, biology, biology. That's the key. So we'll be covering some of that, and it actually is quite a simple way to garden, not complicated, probably less labor intensive than what most people do, and so we'll be stressing that in our gardening videos.
And perhaps we'll do some videos on chicken processing, chicken tractors, and chicken pluckers, automatic chicken doors, uh, things like that, small livestock, raising them, and we really enjoy that kind of thing. It's something that's very useful to us. We got to put food on the table, as I'm sure you guys do too.
And we're doing woodworking as well in the shop. We've got a kind of a woodworking shop that I work out of, and I've been doing this for all my life. And so we make some pretty nice cutting boards that you might find interesting, and maybe a lot of other projects. And if you have something that you'd like to see us, put a video out on, put it down below in the comments, and we'll see if there's enough interest, and we'll try to crank out another video to meet that demand.
Yeah, we've already got that one we made on the world's largest tomato, cutting it open and looking inside of it and getting a taste of it. At least I got to get a taste of it, sorry. And that one's in the works. It's pretty much finished, and pretty soon you'll probably see that up below. We got another one that's on chicken processing, and we're working on another one, chicken tractors and that kind of thing. So we've been doing this, I've been doing it for at least 15 years myself. That's about as long as I've been married, 16 years. And I started doing it when I was a boy with my dad. So it's been something that's been really helpful for me to put food on the table, and obviously as when I was growing up, good source of food, healthy food. And we really endorse that kind of thing, producing healthy garden produce, healthy food, whether it's livestock or vegetable source of protein. So we really hope we can produce some videos that you enjoy. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. And remember,
Jesus loves you.